Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to hide notification badges on Google Chrome. If you find those little red badges distracting, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs and bookmarks. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various settings and options. Go ahead and click on it. Once the menu opens, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Chrome experience to suit your needs. Now we need to focus on notifications. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Under this section, find and click on Site Settings. This is where we can manage how websites interact with your browser. After clicking on Site Settings, scroll down until you see Notifications. Click on it to open the notification settings. Here, you'll find options that control how notifications are handled in Chrome. To hide those pesky notification badges, look for the option that says Show Notification Badges or similar wording depending on your version of Chrome. Simply toggle this option off. By doing this, you will disable notification badges from appearing on your Chrome apps and icons. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden notification badges in Google Chrome. If you ever want to enable them again, just follow these steps and toggle the setting back on. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.